Christmas shopping can be overwhelming, but Amazon makes it easier with a variety of great finds. If you're looking for the perfect gifts or festive decorations, you're in the right place. I have listed 20 of the best Christmas finds on Amazon that are sure to make your holiday season brighter. From cozy home items to fun stocking stuffers, there's something for everyone. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Our warm Christmas tree set. A delightful DIY activity featuring a 3-foot felt tree adorned with 26 vibrant, detachable ornaments like Santa, snowmen, snowflakes, and bells. Crafted with durable felt and secure hook and loop fasteners, it's designed for children aged 18 months and above, promoting fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. Perfect as a festive decoration or an engaging gift, this lightweight and child-friendly set guarantees endless holiday fun while being a unique and trendy addition to seasonal decor. Octrot Heated Blanket. Experience cozy warmth with an ultra-soft fleece Sherpa heated blanket, offering 10 temperature settings and automatic shutoff options from 1 to 8 hours. It's energy efficient, reducing heating costs while delivering superior comfort with its extra thick texture. Ideal for chilly nights, naps, or work breaks, this versatile electric blanket provides reliable heat even during power outages, making it a thoughtful gift for loved ones seeking warmth and comfort during winter. Cobodon Candle Warmer Lamp. Transform your candle experience with this safe and stylish wax-melting lamp. Utilizing top-down heat from adjustable light power, it releases continuous, soothing scents without an open flame. Its modern design enhances any room's ambience, creating a cozy atmosphere with soft halogen lighting. A creative and romantic gift for any occasion, this lamp combines efficiency, safety, and elegance, perfect for anyone who loves indulging in calming aromas. Refresh Sports Toy Rocket Launcher. Prepare for high-flying fun with durable EVA foam-tipped rockets that can soar up to 250 feet. Designed for safety and endless outdoor excitement, this launcher encourages active play, reducing screen time while boosting motor and cognitive skills. The set includes 2 rockets, perfect for poolside, yard, or beach adventures. A fantastic gift for kids and families, it promotes physical activity and memorable bonding moments under the open sky. Tosi Flying Disc. Illuminate your outdoor games with a professional-grade flying disc featuring 16.7 million RGB LED color options. Built to meet ultimate standards, it delivers precise flights and comfortable grips, perfect for sports or freestyle tricks. Rechargeable in just 30 minutes, it lasts up to 90 minutes, ensuring long play sessions. Smart motion sensors and customizable light modes add convenience, making it an exciting gift for sports enthusiasts of all ages. Kanye Cool Toast Bread Night Lamp. Adorable and multifunctional, this rechargeable lamp features silicone feet that double as phone holders. Choose between single or double-sided warm LED lighting designed to reduce glare and protect your eyes. The delayed light-off function and tap-on activation make it perfect for bedtime. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, it's portable and easily rechargeable, blending functionality and charm for a thoughtful and unique gift or home accessory. Solo Stove Tabletop Fire Pit. Enjoy cozy fires without the hassle of smoke thanks to an airflow-efficient design. Made of durable stainless steel, it offers dual fuel capability for burning wood or pellets. Its portable, lightweight build includes a stable stand and nylon carry bag, ideal for outdoor gatherings or camping. A long-lasting and low-maintenance addition to any setup, this fire pit ensures warm and relaxing moments, making it a must-have for adventurers and homebodies alike. Black Decker Cocktail Maker. Create bar-quality cocktails effortlessly with this sleek machine. Simply insert a capsule, select your drink strength, and enjoy over 40 mixologist-crafted options. The Easy Load liquor system connects directly to standard bottles, offering seamless use and brand visibility. With settings from mocktails to strong drinks, it's perfect for entertaining or gifting. Designed for convenience and style, it's a must-have for anyone who loves hosting or indulging in professional quality beverages at home. JBL Party Speaker. Elevate your party with powerful JBL Pro sound, dual woofers for deep bass, and synchronized light shows. Offering up to 18 hours of playtime and a replaceable battery option, it keeps the music going nonstop. Splash-proof and portable with sturdy wheels and a telescopic handle, it's perfect for outdoor or seaside events. Dual mic and guitar inputs add interactive fun, making it a versatile companion for every celebration. Comboid ball bouncing skill game. Challenge your skills with this cube-shaped game featuring 5 bouncy sides and 2 balls. Perfect for single or group play, it enhances hand-eye coordination, focus, and balance. The set includes playing cards for exciting multiplayer combos and spares for uninterrupted fun. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for indoor or outdoor play, making it a unique gift for kids, teens, or adults looking to improve dexterity while having fun. Daimashi Turkey Baster. Made from heat-resistant silicone, this baster can withstand temperatures up to 230 Fahrenheit, ensuring safety and durability. Its powerful suction allows for easy retrieval of sauces and juices, perfect for basting turkey and keeping meats flavorful. With an included injector needle and silicone brush, it also serves as a meat injector for enhanced flavor infusion. Dishwasher safe with a cleaning brush, it's easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical tool for holiday meals and beyond. ATT Danish Dough Whisk. Featuring a 2-eye design, this whisk allows for uniform dough mixing without needing bulky electric mixers. The high-quality wooden handle is smooth and coated with protective oil, preventing cuts and scratches. Its 304 stainless steel hook ensures durability, efficiently handling even the toughest doughs. It's ideal for mixing sourdough, pizza dough, cake batters, and more. Easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, it's a must-have for any baker. Vinabon Wine Aerator. This 2-in-1 wine aerator pourer enhances your wine experience with its superior aeration, improving flavor and smoothness while reducing harshness. It leverages the Bernoulli effect for better bubbles and aeration, and the anti-drip rubber stopper prevents leaks and spills. The unique gurgling sound signals optimal oxygen infusion for richer flavor. Designed to fit all wine bottles, this aerator ensures a cleaner, more enjoyable pour every time, making it a perfect addition to any wine enthusiast's collection. Airvi Electric Wine Stopper. Designed to preserve wine's flavor and quality, this electric wine stopper creates an airtight seal using automatic vacuum technology. The built-in pump removes air effortlessly to prevent oxidation, keeping your wine fresh longer. Its smart, leak-proof design ensures hassle-free operation, while the sleek appearance makes it a thoughtful gift for wine lovers. The set includes 2 LA batteries, making it ready to use right out of the box. Joydeem Electric Dough Maker. Controlled by a microcomputer, this dough maker features intelligent presetting and program selection, simulating manual dough-making processes for perfect results. It has a large 6.6-quart capacity, ideal for large families, and a 250-watt motor that kneads dough in just 15 minutes. The vertical design saves space, and its low-noise operation ensures a quiet kitchen experience. With a 45-minute kneading and proofing cycle, it makes bread, pizza, and dumplings effortlessly. Z-Chiron Mandoline Slicer. This handheld slicer ensures precision with adjustable blades, offering thin, medium, and thick slicing options for fruits and vegetables. Its 3.0mm thick stainless steel wire ring handles even the toughest ingredients, allowing for efficient slicing in no time. Designed with safety in mind, it includes features to prevent accidental cuts. Easy to clean and store, this durable slicer is a versatile kitchen tool for quick and consistent meal preparation. Mueller Immersion Blender. With a slim design and turbo power mode, this immersion blender mixes, blends, whisks, and froths with ease. It includes 3 attachments: a stainless steel blending shaft for smoothies and soups, a frother for milk, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle offer comfort while blending, while the detachable parts make cleanup easy. With its versatile functionality, it's perfect for smoothies, soups, and more. Udansi Pushdown Bottle Opener. This spring-loaded automatic bottle opener makes it effortless to remove caps with one hand, perfect for beer, soda, and glass bottles. It features a magnet for easy cap removal and a burnished metal finish that resists fingerprints. Made from high-quality stainless steel and plastic, it's ideal for those with limited hand strength. The compact, portable design makes it perfect for bars, home use, picnics, and more, making it a fun and practical gift. Ninja Indoor Grill. The Ninja Foodie Smart XL Grill features 500-degree Fahrenheit cyclonic air for grilling and air frying with perfect char marks and flavors. With its smart cook system and thermometer, it offers precise cooking with multiple protein settings and doneness levels. The large grill grate accommodates up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs, and it includes 6 cooking functions like grill, air crisp, roast, and more. It cooks with up to 75% less fat, offering healthier meals. AM Chef Portable Range Hood. This compact mini range hood is perfect for small spaces like apartments, RVs, or outdoor camping. It features a polymer and aluminum alloy filter system to absorb oil fumes, creating a fresh environment. With 3 adjustable wind speeds, it suits various cooking needs while being energy efficient. The double-layer stainless steel etching screen ensures durability, making this portable range hood an ideal solution for cooking in small spaces or on the go. That wraps up our list of the 20 best Amazon Christmas finds, perfect for making your holiday season even more magical. From unique gifts to festive decor, these top picks will surely add a touch of joy to your celebrations. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for the latest prices on all the items we've featured. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay up to date with all our newest content, tips, and reviews. Happy shopping, and have a wonderful holiday season.